What is this? A UFO floating in the air at a 5th-century-old Turkish mosque in the heart of Istanbul? Have a look at this chandelier. What does it resemble? What is it that it was designed to remind you of? Correct, the solar system. Because for the Muslims, it was never a mystery if the world was flat or round. We always knew it was round. How? Here's how. Let's look at what the verse says in the Dome of Suleymaniye. Inna Allaha yumsiku samawati wal arda an tazula. Indeed, Allah holds heavens and the earth, so they would not fall apart. وَلَئِنْ زَالَتَا إِنْ أَمْسَكَهُمَا مِنْ أَحَدٍ مِنْ بَعْدِي. If they were to fall apart, none but Him could keep them up. Just like through the dome that the chandelier sails in the air, it is the Almighty Allah Azza wa Jal who holds what is on top of our heads from deviating. And the verse continues with this final sentence. إِنَّهُ كَانَ حَلِيمًا غَفُورًا. He is truly the most forbearing and all forgiving. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you all.